Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use workflows with HubSpot's Operations Hub. This powerful automation feature allows you to streamline your business processes, manage contact data more efficiently, and trigger actions based on specific events or property changes. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign in to your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to explore the platform's capabilities. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing all the tools and features available. Now let's navigate to the Workflows section. Look to the left side panel of your dashboard and hover over the option labeled Automation. When you do this, the menu will expand, revealing additional options. You'll see two choices here. Click on the one named Workflows. This is where all the magic happens for automating your processes. Once you're in the Workflow menu, you have a couple of paths forward. You can browse through certain templates that HubSpot provides, which are pre-built for common use cases. Or you can look at the top right corner of your screen and click Create Workflow to start a completely custom one from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use a template to make things easier and faster. After selecting a template or choosing to build from scratch, you'll need to establish a starting point for your workflow. This is the trigger that kicks everything off. You might select something like MRR form submission, property value changes, or another event that aligns with your business needs. If you're starting fresh without a template, simply proceed with your chosen trigger. Next, you'll want to add enrollment triggers within the workflow canvas. Click on the trigger element to add specific conditions, such as when a contact property changes to a particular value. This ensures that only the right contacts enter your workflow at the right time. Now comes the action part. Click the plus sign to add actions to your workflow. These could be things like send email, create task, set contact property, or even trigger a webhook for more advanced integrations. For each action you add, you'll need to configure the details, such as who the recipient is, what content should be sent, and any timing requirements. To make your workflow even more sophisticated, use delay actions to pause between steps. This gives contacts time to engage with previous actions before moving forward. You can also add if faucet then branches to create conditional paths. For example, if a contact property equals a certain value, route them down one path. Otherwise, send them down another. This branching logic makes your workflows incredibly flexible and personalized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.